Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, friends, enemies. So, end of day 3, I was fortunate enough to be put on this security industry approved course. It also includes education for maths and English. We're treated like children. Before they put us for the actual exam for the SIA security card, they're going to make us spend an interminable time, spread over 4 weeks, 3 days a week, in a form of college like children. Now this is a government sponsored initiative, so they obviously need to make it look as though they're earning their money. Sadly, for those of us unemployed wanting an SIA licence, we have the option of spending 600 quid or going on one of these courses. I shan't swear. So today you've got 22 grown adults all being treated like 7th formers. I would feel sorry for the tutor having to control us, but unfortunately when you treat people like idiots, we will respond like idiots. So we've had a lot of fun. Have we learnt anything? No, nothing we didn't know. So if you're unemployed and you don't want to spend £600 to get this licence, or £1,000 in some areas, don't bother with a government sponsored course, because it's hell. I was hoping that this week would give me an opportunity to partake in the Polar Bear Challenge, but so far we've had our temperatures in the mid-50s, so that's not going to happen. Chilly but wet. It's a 30-mile round trip, so had we had a few clear days and low temperatures, I would have been able to clock the mileage up. Unfortunately, but I have the whole of December, because I have 3 days this week, 3 days next week, 3 days the week before Christmas, and a further 2 lots of 3 days in January. So hopefully I should get a few cold enough days, talking, not driving, I should get a few cold enough days to be able to partake. But failing that, that's what's happening in Alan's world. I'm seriously considering getting a lobotomy. Oh, why did you stop, you dozy bugger? It's that time of day, women drivers coming home from shopping, hubby's evening meal on their mind. Never mind, somehow tomorrow I shall have a laugh. Until then, ride safe, stay happy, because you know when you're happy, you know what happens, don't you? It really annoys the miserable people. So until I have anything interesting to say, bye bye, enjoy.